guys, so I'm just giving you guys an update on the roof here. We had to do a little more work because with this thing sitting so long, with me building the rest of the camper, it got a little moist under our tarp that we had it, and kind of warped the cross members, and then the sides molded. So what we did for the mold is we just stained everything to seal it, and it sealed it pretty good. The outside isn't as bad as these. These warped. These were like curved like this, because the top was flipped the other way, so it was like curved like that. So we had an issue with that. So then we ended up brainstorming, and we got aluminum conduit, and we were going to pitch the roof just a tad earlier in our plans. So this aluminum conduit was perfect because we ended up putting a little bend in it. So the roof is pitched now in 3 places. So it's pitched on the 3 middle ones, and then we're gonna have the 2 sides over here straight. We still have to get one more conduit piece for this end over here and fasten it. So to fasten this conduit, we just put L brackets on either side, right over there, and then to straighten the boards, we ended up putting screws about that far in on each side, on each one, to make the board straight, or relatively straight, as straight as we could. But it won't be a big deal. You don't have to be perfect. So I'm going to show you how far we bent those. So they go probably about 3/4 of an inch bend in the middle. So that put a nice pitch to the roof, and it made the metal really stiff, which is really nice, because before it was pretty loose. So this is just the roof update that I needed to give you guys, since we had to do a little more work than I showed before. So yeah, that's what we got going on. Now that I have all this fixed, I'm gonna run the wires to the lights and all that, and I will show you guys that.